Hey guys, welcome back. And my name is Dinas, and we are back again on our Game Changers interview. As you know, that I've been on a mission for helping people, especially across the country, to help 1 million people on our in our country to get fit and get healthy from the comforts of their own home. And I've been doing my coaching programs for quite a while, and I've got some amazing transformational stories. The reason I'm bringing you all these transformational stories is because I want to inspire you wherever you are. You don't have to choose me as your mentor, but wherever you are, I need you to start taking action, because it's just not your life, it's a quality of the life that you need to lead. And therefore you need to understand that health is a priority. And talking about health, we have an amazing, beautiful, gorgeous lady who is here on the call with me today, who has had some amazing transformations. Her name is Dr. Indira, and she is going to tell us all about her journey, how she started. She started with one-on-one coaching with me, and now she's going to get ready to join the community. So today I bring to you a story of how Indira transformed herself in the last 3 months, and she dropped from double XL to a medium. So hi Indira, welcome to the Game Changers show, and tell us which city are you from?
Ma'am, I'm Dr. Indira and I'm a gynecologist and obstetrician. I'm from Tanuku, West Godavari district of this Andhra Pradesh. I run a 15-bedded hospital, Sri Supraja Hospital, and
Wow.
my husband is an ENT surgeon. I am really lucky to get into this program. I joined Madam's personal training program. So this was a birthday gift from me, from my husband.
Yes.
So I was really lucky to get into this program. I just am a doctor, but I don't have any goals like to be fit or to do this and all. But now I am fully, I'm very confident that I know the strength in me, like all in my muscles, in every part of my body, and also the work in the professional work has improved a lot. That I am doing my laparoscopic surgeries on my own. Previously, I used to depend on another surgeon. I am very happy for this. I have strong shoulders.
షోల్డర్స్ ఎందుకంటే మీరు చెప్పారు కదా షోల్డర్స్ లో ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది.
Yes,
వాట్ ఇస్ ద
ma'am.
డిఫరెన్స్ యూ హావ్ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ ద షోల్డర్స్?
Now I can abduct them. So for a long time, for 10 to 15 minutes, I couldn't do this before. That was a great change that ma'am has brought for me. Now
Great.
really energetic. I am not lazy now. I can inspire people. This is all from Dinas ma'am.
So before you joined this, rather your husband made you join this. I must thank Venkat Garu for the support that he has given to you. And really, I want a lot of husbands to also support their wives in this venture, in this journey. So initially, when he told you to join, he said that he's already paid for it. What did you feel? Did you feel that, oh my God, he's forcing me to do something I don't feel like doing?
Yes, ma'am. I thought how I'll get the time. I thought the time is a main restriction for doing anything. That is not the thing now. I thought I can't work for 45 minutes a day for an exercise. I thought only 10 or not regularly also. That is also not a restriction now, I felt. And also the diet you told me, ma'am, in these 3 months, I could know how to control everything. I
Yeah.
learned a lot about diet and also the strength in every part. Mom uses all. I did not. I thought I am only a doctor, and this group of people only know about these hamstrings or everything. Mom uses all the things, like she tells oblique muscles. You are using this obliques. She tells we are using this triceps, and she focuses on everything. Wherever this personal training I have joined is very much this is a great, fantastic, miraculous program my husband has gifted from me.
That's the
I'm
best
really
program.
happy. Yes, ma'am.
So before you joined,
I am very happy. My size of dress has changed to medium. I need not go and search for XL, double XL. Every dress which I like, I can go and get it because
wow,
it's fitting for me now.
medium is fitting for you.
I'm very happy. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the
My
spot
colleagues are
of,
asking me what is
How do your patients view you? Do they see the transformation? Are you getting inspired? Are they
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
inspired?
Yes, ma'am, thousands. Because I really attend 60 to 100 people a day. People are telling what exactly you have done, ma'am. Please tell us, they tell. But they tell we don't have time. But I will make it, ma'am. I will be with you for my lifetime and
Yes.
I'll motivate them.
Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to now see. You're a doctor, and I'm really happy to have you as a person who has got this transformation. And I want you, in turn, to inspire your doctors also, because the main problem is also doctors don't have the time. So you need to inspire other doctors in your hospital to start with. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How does Venkat feel about this whole transformation that you went through?
He's telling, ma'am, my features have become sharp. He tells that
Yes. Yes.
he's telling me I can see, I can find out from every part of the body. He's
Yes.
telling me that my diet has also changed. He's telling me you're eating enough portions. I used to have stress eating and I always ask my husband to bring some biryani when I have a lot of work. I'm not at all. In this 3 months period, I think I never got a food from outside or
Yeah.
never biryani, I think, ma'am.
Fantastic.
I lost interest in that because it's all oily thing. Why should I consume unhealthy thing and do my body unhealthy? Get my things unhealthy, I thought.
So, one thing I must admire that in the last 3 months of you did not miss even a single session. That just speaks volumes about your dedication. So, did you feel like missing any sessions in the last 3 months? You
Ma'am,
felt
I enjoyed
lazy?
the sessions, all the sessions a lot, ma'am. Ma'am, you used to focus on cardio and also muscle strengthening by doing this with the dumbbells, toning of all the muscles. I feel a change in the shape of my body also, ma'am. I'm really
Fine.
happy.
So, initially, when we first started, your moves also were very rough.
Okay.
Okay, they were not smooth moves. But after 3 months, I can tell you that today, when I was watching you, your moves also have become very smooth. And you got this transformation really without feeling that you needed to starve yourself. Did you feel that you need to starve yourself?
No, ma'am.
No,
I'm taking something healthy.
healthy
I'm
food.
not taking the things which are not good. That's all, ma'am.
So, have you inspired anybody after this, after you?
Ma'am, lots of. Two of my colleagues also joined, ma'am. I don't know. They have taken all the things from me.
Hmm.
Girl, she called me and told I joined already. And the other also told he already joined. Sir, he is a sir. He's a surgeon already from our village only, Tanugu. So all the doctors are also they need fitness because we tell to our patients, but we personally don't have fitness.
Yes. So I believe you're also working with a lot of people, a lot of women who are struggling to have children.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to motivate all those people to lose weight, because you know very well as a doctor that if they lose weight, they're going to get the results very fast.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So I want you to motivate them. How do you plan to motivate them? You
I
talk to
uh,
them.
I tell if you want to have a result, if you want to have a child, then it's a thing you have to start with,
Yeah,
or else you won't get the thing which you need. So
yeah,
they also started learning. This is
yeah.
all because of our unhealthy thing only. We are not able to get the change.
Nice,
So
nice.
I motivate and I send to you only, ma'am, because you keep on motivating, ma'am. Throughout the 3 months period, I never lost the motivation. We motivated, and once a month they come and visit us. They lose the motivation by 1 week. But with your program, ma'am, they'll be having a motivation in the continuous. You
Yes,
tell us diet also you used to give me, ma'am. For every week you used to change it. So the diet plan and exercises.
yes.
I never watched, ma'am. I never counted. Because of you, I took this watch, but I did not wear it now.
Now,
I
yeah.
really, I feel bad if I don't do this 8,000 to 10,000 steps per day. I always feel bad previously if I don't get an auto rickshaw or a taxi to go to some other place. Now I'm very happy I can do that. Why I'll walk, I'll have my walk, it will be finished. I'm feeling very happy. So I tell everyone, you have this walk, you do this, and I can tell everything, ma'am.
Are they listening to you, Indira?
Yes, ma'am. Because of seeing me, they are getting motivated. They are really like they're feeling what is this transformation. They're getting really surprised, and also they're getting shocked, ma'am. Not surprised, also they're getting shocked. What is this? She used to be very choppy, this much of cheeks, and also uh, almost I used to wear only saris, ma'am. I never used to put all these dresses and all because I'm almost very fat, but I am wearing a dresses. People are saying, "Are you a college student? Are you just as though I have joined?"
Yeah.
They are not.
Can you give your message in Telugu kada? So many people will be watching your interview from Telugu also. Telugulo
Yes.
చెప్పావా?
అలాగే ఎస్ మ్యామ్. నువ్వు కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ లాగా ఉన్నావు ఇప్పుడు. డాక్టర్ అమ్మగారిలా లేరండి మీరు. అసలు ఒక 10 ఏళ్ళు వయసు చిన్నగా అయిపోయారు. మీరు ఏదో చేశారు మాకు చెప్పడానికి ఇష్టపడట్లేదు. దే ఆర్ టెలింగ్, బట్ ఐఎమ్ షేరింగ్ ద లింక్. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఐఎమ్ మోటివేటింగ్. అందరికీ చెప్తున్నాను ఇది చాలా మన హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్ ఫ్యూచర్ లో లక్షలు ఖర్చు పెట్టుకుంటాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఖర్చు పెట్టేది ఇది గోల్డ్ సిల్వర్ షిప్ మెంబర్షిప్ అనేది చాలా చాలా రీజనబుల్ కాస్ట్. అది మనం స్పెండ్ చేసేది 1% కూడా కాదు మనం లైఫ్ లో రేపు ఫేస్ చేయాల్సిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూస్తే. అందరినీ నేను ఇది గోల్డ్ మెంబర్షిప్ తీసుకోండి, దిస్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ థింగ్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఫర్ యువర్ హెల్త్. అండ్ అందరికి, సొసైటీకి, ఫ్యామిలీకి కూడా మీరు ఒక మంచి ఒక బాధ్యత గల ఒక వ్యక్తిగాను తయారవుతారు. మీ ఆరోగ్యం మీ చేతుల్లోనే ఉంది అనేది నేను అందరికీ చెప్తున్నాను అన్నమాట. చెప్తాను కూడా.
Indira, you know that young girls who have PCOD problems, they are having problems, a lot of health problems. For sure, exercise will benefit. As a doctor, can you please enlighten the viewers as to how exercise and a healthy lifestyle will benefit for PCOD?
Yes, ma'am. Already, this PCOD is only a problem which we get from our unhealthy lifestyle. Ma'am, shall I speak in Telugu? Telugu? Okay. మనము తీసుకునేది మన డైట్ లో కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ అంట, పిండి పదార్థం అనేది ఎక్కువగా తీసుకోవడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే అదంతా బాడీ ఎక్కడ దాచుకోవాలో తెలియదు దానికి. దానివల్ల ఇన్సులిన్ అనే హార్మోన్ ఎక్కువ అయిపోతూ ఉంటది. అదేమో సరిగ్గా స్టోర్ చేయలేదు. దానివల్ల హార్మోన్స్ అనేవి మగవాళ్ళకి సంబంధించిన హార్మోన్స్ ఆడవాళ్ళలో తయారవడం మొదలవుతాయి. దానివల్ల అన్వాంటెడ్ హెయిర్స్, పింపుల్స్, సైకిల్స్ ఏమో 2-3 నెలలకు ఒకసారి రావడం, ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఎప్పుడో మనకి ప్రెగ్నెన్సీలు రాకుండా ఇలాగ ఐవీఎఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ వరకు వెళ్లాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఇలా చాలా చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. పీసీఓడి అనేది మెయిన్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్ డిసీజ్ అని ఇప్పుడు క్లియర్ గా అంతా కూడా చెప్తున్నాం. దానికి పర్మనెంట్ గా ఏ డాక్టర్ దగ్గర కూడా ట్రీట్మెంట్ లేదు. మన లైఫ్ స్టైల్, మన ఆరోగ్యాన్ని మన చేతులతో మనము పాడు చేసుకోవడం వల్లే పీసీఓడి వస్తుంది. మంచిగా రోజు లేచి ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయడం. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అంటే ఆడుకోవచ్చు ఆ పిల్లలు, స్కిప్పింగ్ చేయండి, మంచిగా డాన్స్ చేయండి, ఒక 15 minutes యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ పెట్టుకొని షటిల్ ఆడండి. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ రెగ్యులర్ గా ఉండాలి. డైట్ కూడా అంతే, అంత హెల్తీ డైట్. ఏది మనకి నేచర్ లో దొరుకుతుందో అదే మనం తినాలి. ఫ్రూట్స్, వెజిటేబుల్స్, దేవుడు మనకి ఏది ప్రకృతిలో ఇచ్చాడో అదే తిందాము. ఎందుకు అంత నూనెలు వేసుకొని అలా ఫ్రైలు వేసుకొని స్వీట్లు అవన్నీ తినద్దు. తినటం వల్లే మనం తెచ్చుకుంటున్నాం సమస్యలు. దేవుడు ఏది ప్రకృతిలో మనకి ఇచ్చాడో అదే మనం తిందాం. మన ఆరోగ్యం మన చేతిలో ఉంచుకుందాం. అప్పుడు ఏ ఆరోగ్య సమస్య మనకి రాదు. అంతా పీరియడ్స్ రెగ్యులర్ గా ఉంటది. మీరు డాక్టర్ ని కూడా విజిట్ చేయవసరంలా.
They don't need to go to a doctor once they take care of their health.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Awesome. You speak so well, really amazing. You're such a good speaker.
Thank you.
Such a good speaker you are. Great. So, as you all can see that even doctors understand and recognize the importance of a healthy lifestyle. So, Indira, what message, 3 important messages for our viewers?
Important messages.
especially for women who are trying to get pregnant, and people who are obese, very obese, and people who have health problems. For these three, can you give three messages as a doctor?
So now I tell, for as a doctor, I tell my patients to have a strong determination that we should be healthy. Our health is in our hands. We should take care of our health first. Then, if we take care of our health, our family will be healthy, and we can create a newer generation which is very energetic, and they can create the new world. That is for my patients, ma'am. And
Fantastic. Very well said. Very well said.
coming to my family, ma'am, and I am a mother of two daughters, and my daughters also, I teach them to be, if you want to be more energetic, you start a healthy lifestyle from now itself. I motivate them for doing exercise daily. So my message for them, they already got motivated, ma'am, by seeing me. My children already started having a healthy lifestyle by.
Very good. Very good.
Uh, so towards you, ma'am, I am really, really very lucky to have you in my life. I am from a small town, from a big, from Andhra Pradesh. This is a very small town. To have you, I am very lucky because I got motivated. I got a good motivator, and you created me. You created a new Indira to tell. So,
Wow. Wow.
so
Wow. Thank you so much, Indira. Really, it was a very, very inspiring talk. And keep up the good work. Please keep inspiring all the people that are coming in your proximity, because you don't realize as a doctor, you have a lot of power in you. People listen to you. People might not listen to me, but people will listen to you. When a doctor speaks and says, listen, you need to do this because it's scary, you might get a heart attack, you might get any problems, you might get any medical problems. When you turn around and say, people get scared and they listen. So as a healthcare professional, really and truly, hats off to all the work that you are doing, especially during the COVID period. We really salute all our doctors who have been, working tirelessly in the hospitals during this period, putting your lives through risk, and at the same time getting inspired, and at the same time inspiring other people as well. And I want to, at the end, I also want to acknowledge and thank your husband Venkat Garu for making this change, for gifting this to you, for believing in the power of what I do, and for gifting this to you as your birthday. And wish you a very, very healthy journey forward. And now that you are in my proximity, this journey will continue. So thank you
yes,
so much
I'll
once
give
again.
you a diamond membership. I'll follow you throughout my life.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yes,
Thank you so much, Indira, for being on the call here.
yes, ma'am. Thank you,
And
ma'am.
thank you so much to each and every one of you. This was a very, very inspiring story coming in from a doctor who's been a healthcare professional, who's a gynecologist and an obstetrician, and she's helping loads of women. She's helping loads of people to get healthy. And now she realizes and acknowledges the fact that exercise and health plays a major role. So out there, those of you who feel that you all want to start your journey now, those of you who feel that you all want to start your journey now, I want you all to come and meet me in my 5-day WhatsApp class. The link is in the description below. Go click on the link, and I'll meet you in the 5-day WhatsApp class for you to understand really and truly what we are all about, what the Dinas Fitness community is all about, and experience us for 5 days. My goal is for you to fall in love with me for 5 days, and then you will fall in love with me permanently, and you will be part of the Dinas Fitness community, which is India's largest health and fitness community. So see you there. Thank you so much once again, Indira. You were fantastic. Really. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.